I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer in 2001. I went through the whole caboodle, the whole 9 yards. I did the chemotherapy and the radiation therapy. I had a port put in. I was told that my chances of survival would be 5 years if I was lucky. I'm currently on my 9th year survival. I discovered barley through the internet while I was undergoing chemotherapy. After my first chemo dose, I was so sick I ended up in the ICU in the hospital because the dose that they gave me was equivalent for a 300-pound man, American man. But since my body's so small, I couldn't take the medication. It wiped out all my white blood cells, and so I was literally a walking time bomb. I was supposed to not make it through, but because of the barley that I discovered from the net, one of the benefits of barley is that it increases your white blood cells naturally, so your immunity just naturally gets boosted up. Because of that, I decided to try it and take it. During my first chemo, it took me 21 days to recover from the chemotherapy, and I was in the ICU for a while. But during the second chemo, after 4 days, I was completely okay. So I became really impressed with the benefits of barley in my body. I decided to take it every day, as I have every day for the rest of my life. I'm going to be taking barley. I don't take any other medication. I don't take vitamins. I don't have any maintenance drugs that I take for my cancer. My doctors told me that I would never have children again because my ovaries would shut down as a side effect from the chemotherapy. And it did. It stopped. I stopped getting my menstruation for 3 years, but after 3 years of continuing to take barley every day, the effect of the chemotherapy was completely reversed. I was able to recover fully. And now I have a 4-year-old son, so who I call my miracle, of course. And yes, barley for me has not only saved my life, but has given me new life. And I think that everybody should take barley every day.